have a look at this beautiful big timber truck. Northern Tablelands harvesting. Just pull up here on the edge of the road. What a fucking ripper. I mean, what a ripper. Hey? Hey? She's got it parked off into that property there. Kennedy Trailers. She's 3-axle. She's bogie drive Kenworth. 3 axles on the trailer. She's just a nice bit of machinery, eh boys? What do you reckon? Cab guard, she's just a nice big truck. And I just followed her. I just pulled over in a big Mack, same sort of setup. Big bonneted Mack. It's coming in too. I'm going to leave her that. Sweno Mick pulled up beside a nice, beautiful big timber truck. Sweno Mick out.